Do you have questions about reverse osmosis drinking water systems? Or maybe just questions about what is reverse osmosis? How do reverse osmosis drinking water systems work? How are they maintained? Maybe you've got a system at home and you're having some issues with it. Maybe you've got some troubleshooting questions. Maybe you just want to know how to install a reverse osmosis system in your own home for your family. Or is reverse osmosis water really for you? My Reverse Osmosis Q&A live stream event is for you. It's happening today, Thursday, October 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, where I'll be live here on YouTube and I'll be answering all of your questions about reverse osmosis drinking water systems and everything RO. This event is perfect for you, whether you're thinking about investing in a reverse osmosis drinking water system for your family and have questions about how they work, how they're maintained, how they're installed, or whether you already have a residential or commercial reverse osmosis system and you have questions about troubleshooting, repair, or again, ongoing maintenance. I'll be answering all of your questions live here on YouTube, and I'll also be answering the questions that you may not have even thought to ask about reverse osmosis drinking water systems. I'll even be explaining how a reverse osmosis drinking water system can save your family money and is great for the environment. I'd love to have you participate with your questions and comments during my live stream tonight, Thursday, October 28th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Click the link, set a reminder, and I'll see you there. Already missed it? No problem. Click the same link and you can check out the replay. Lots of great information, and again, I'll see you there.